This work, when you're setting up a business as part of the business unit that the kids are doing, you have to figure out how many computers you need to keep your doors open that you're producing a month. So what I came up with, which is in the Google Classroom, is that the kids will look at their product cost from last week and combine it into where they're going next step after the worksheet that they've completed today. Today's Wednesday. Most colleges took the quiz yesterday. They did the worksheet today. The quiz given first was to test prior knowledge to see what they retained from last week. The worksheet given today was to not only assess, but help them project what they're doing tomorrow, Friday, and going into next week. So we're going to do the second one. Again, I'm going to switch colors so that way it's clear. It is 9,500 divided by 200. Again, I'm eliminating my ones. Then I'm eliminating my tens. Now it's 95 divided by 2. So I know 8 goes into 9 4 times. Well, you know what I meant. I hope you know what I meant. 2 goes into 9 4 times. So the remainder is 15. So I know 2 goes into 14 7 times. Now, because I eliminated my zeros, I know that this is going to be a variable. So I'm going to put a decimal, not a variable, but a decimal. I'm going to put my decimals right here. So now I have 1.0. I know 0.5, 5 times 2 goes into 10, but with the decimal, that's it. So that is the second answer. It should be 65 and 47.5 for your average total cost. Again, the more you produce and the more you produce in conjunction with the more you spend, your cost should be coming down. We're not adding any extra algebra to this. That is the main equation. That's it. The last variable formula I need to teach you today, and I'm going to take a picture of these notes, is that I'm going to show you marginal cost. So erasing this now, don't panic. The pictures will be in the Google Classroom and in the Google Cloud. So the formula for marginal cost is pretty straightforward. I'm going to write it at the bottom right here. Let me spin back a second. Wrong way. Okay, so let me move out of the way. I'm going to write it in red. Marginal cost equals today's total cost minus yesterday's total cost. That's how you get your answer. For the first example, on Sunday we got the keys to the factory, so there's no data available to give us a marginal cost. However, on Monday, factory made its first 100 units. So total cost from Monday is 6,500. Subtracting Sunday, 1,500. So the answer for the marginal cost is $5,000. But because marginal cost is measured in units, we divide by 100. So what I've been telling my students to do is drop the last 2 zeros on their answers. Don't worry about it, and just get rid of the comma. So your marginal for Monday, marginal cost is $50 or 50 units. That is the worksheet in a nutshell. So now I'm going to stop this video and do another video explaining how all the equations work. Give me 1 second.